Hello, children. How are you? Hope you all are very fine. This is the first video class after the first terminal exam, and all of you did very well in the examination. So now let's start our new letter from our English book, my ABC Zigzag Zoom, my ABC. Today in this video class we will learn about the letter K and how to write the letter K. Okay, before we get started, let's sing the ABCD song with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. It's very interesting song, na? So you have to practice this song every day. Okay. And now look at here. This is the capital letter K and this is the small letter K. You can see it here also. This is the capital letter K and this is the small letter K. And here is a king and a key. This king and key are starting with the letter K. You can see now. So we can say K for king and K for key. Now look at the book here. Here is a rhyme. The king has a key and a kettle. See, this king has a key and a kettle. He pours the tea after every bottle. He pours the tea after every battle. He is pouring the he pours the tea after every battle. Battle means juddho. So this king, kettle and key are starting with the letter K, and K will sound like K. K will sound like K, like king, K, kettle, K, key, K. These words are starting with the letter K, and K will sound like K. Okay. So you have to learn this word starting with the letter K. And now come to the next page. Here you have to read aloud along with your teacher. You have to read aloud along with your teacher. Okay. What is this? This is kiwi. Kiwi, a kind of bird, is a kind of bird. And what is this? This is a kangaroo. You can see na, and you all know about this kangaroo. And what is this? This is a kite. We all know about this. It is very colorful. You can see na. And what is this? This is a kennel. Kennel means dog house. So these words kiwi, kangaroo, kite and kennel are starting with the letter K, and you can see now this K are in red color. So we can say K for kiwi, K for kangaroo, K for kite and K for kennel also. So we have learned so many words starting with the letter K, and you have to learn these words. Okay. And now come to the next page. This page will be your homework. So write HW on this page. Okay. So here you have to trace the pictures, color those whose names start with letter K. You have to trace the pictures. At first you have to trace all the pictures like this. You have to join the dots and make the picture more clearer. Like this you have to join all the dots. Okay. And after that you have to color those whose names start with letter K. After you have finished tracing, then you have to color those whose name starts with letter K. We all have already did this type of activity in our previous classes. So at first, what can you see? This is a kitten. Kitten. This kitten is starting with the letter K. So we can say K for kitten, and you have to color this kitten. Okay. And what is this? This is a monkey. And monkey is not starting with the letter K. So we don't need to color this. Okay. And what is this? This is an eagle. and this eagle is not starting with the letter K. So also leave it. We will not color this eagle. Okay. And what is this? This is a key. This is a key. Key. K. Key is starting with the letter K. We have already learned that K for key. So you have to color this key. Okay. And now look at here. What is this? This is a knife. Knife. Knife is starting with the sound N. Knife is starting with the sound N. But this knife spelling is K-N-I-F-E. Knife spelling is K-N-I-F-E. So this knife is also starting with the letter K. But here the letter is silent. In this word, this K letter is silent. So we pronounce it like knife. But it is starting with the letter K. So we have to color this knife. Okay, so this kitten, key and knife you have to color. Okay, after tracing all the pictures. So this is your homework and you have to complete it. And now we will learn how to write the letter K. We will learn how to write the letter K. This is your English worksheet and here we will learn how to write the letter K. You can see now, first you have to draw a standing line. Then from the top again you have to draw a forward slanting line to the middle of the standing line. Okay. Then from here you have to draw a backward slanting line down. Okay. Then it will become the letter K. So follow me. From first you have to draw a standing line from first line to third line like this. Okay. First line to third line. Draw a standing line. Then again go back to the top and draw a forward slanting line to the middle of the standing line or second line. Okay. Like this. Okay. And now from here you have to draw a backward slanting line like this to the third line. Okay. What it becomes now? It becomes the letter K, and writing K is very easy. Let's write it again. Start from the top. Draw a standing line down from first line to third line like this. And then go back to the top and draw a forward slanting line from this red line to the middle of the standing line. Okay. And from here draw a backward slanting line like this. Again it will become the letter K, and writing K is very easy. So practice it like this. Okay. This is your homework also. So see you in the next video. Till then stay at home and practice all the homeworks and do all the homeworks. Okay. Bye bye.